Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2015 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, step rails, privacy glass, and much more. 17-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, a heated wiper park, fog lights, a recovery hook, daytime running lights, and a strong 4-wheel drive 6-cylinder with only 79,230 miles. The power rear window, a hidden wiper, large LED brake lights, the tow hitch, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the powered sunroof, the front row power heated soft text bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, a valet function, power outlets, a garage opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.